So once we perform any of these operations on this collections by using the stream method, the result is always a new stream. I mean to say, first we are going to have a collection. Then collection can be used by using or streamed by using stream method. The result is always a new stream. Result is a new stream. Whenever we use the intermediate operating methods, the result is a new stream. Then instead of getting this result as a new stream, is it possible to get the result as a collection? So what I mean to say, the result as array, not the collection. So first we will consider collection. Then we are going to use a stream method to stream the collection. Then after performing various operations required, then result should be a new array. Then is it possible to convert the result into an array? Yes, it's possible. Streams have a method called as toArray method. toArray method is there. So what is the purpose of this toArray? toArray method will convert this stream of objects into array. That's the purpose of this toArray method. You can perform any of the required operations, then finally convert into array. If that's the requirement, then we can go for toArray method. Then what's the example of it? So for that, let me use this IDE. And here there is a collection. I'm going to use the same collection once again. Then followed by. Now, first perform some operations, then convert into one array. So what does it one more array means? For example, get array of even numbers from the collection. So in the previous discussions, so we understood about how to print even numbers or how to get stream of even numbers, but we didn't get in the array format. We just got the output or we got in the stream result. But how to get into array format? That's the question. And that's the requirement. So for that, we have a toArray method. First to get the even numbers. How to get the even numbers? Collection, then dot, stream it. After we stream it, then we can go for filtering it for even numbers filter, a variable n for number, lambda, then the even number logic. Then after that, we are going to get a new stream, but we don't want a stream of the even numbers. We want array of even numbers. Then that's when we can use toArray method. Then toArray method will take one integer function as a constructor reference I'm using here. So integer array double colon, then new is the keyword. That's object of integer array. Then we are going to get one integer array format in terms of programmer choice of variable, even array numbers. That's the syntax. So first we are using the streaming, then followed by we are converting into array format. So stream it, filter it, then convert into array. So this is what is nothing but example of a constructor reference here. This is a constructor reference syntax. Like method reference, we also have a constructor reference. This is a constructor reference. Object of integer class with the default constructor with no arguments. And here is a proof of this is an integer array. Then now can we perform this array based operations or not? Yes, we can perform. How to get first index element of the array? So we can go for system.out.println to print a first, not first element, first index element. So how to get the first index? Then use the array name called as even array. Then followed by use the square brackets, and the first index is nothing but index number 1. That's what I mean to say. Then from this collection, first what are even numbers? So even number 1, 688, then 58, even number 2. Then 0 is the index position, 1 is index position. And we're supposed to get 58 is output for this program. Let's run and cross verify. The first index element is 58. That's an array based operation I'm using. Array name with index number in square brackets to get the element of the array, right? So that's a proof of this toArray method is converting the collection because it's integer collection, integer array. If it is a string collection, then string array. If it's character collections, then character array. If it is employee objects, then employee array. Accordingly, we are going to get it. Yeah. So then toArray result is not a string. Toarray result is not a string. That's a array. That's why it is not a intermediate operation method. It's a terminal operation method. Result is not a string, therefore terminal operational method. That's a toArray example. I hope you understood.